Press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update. All people are different and have different preferences in genres of video games they like, whether it be FPS gaming, fighting games or racing games. Here we are going to take a look at the best racing games available on iOS and Android. Asphalt 9 Legends. Asphalt has been one of the most popular car racing franchisee in the history of mobile gaming. Asphalt 9 Legends is the latest entry in the series and is considered as the best part of the series. It is a sequel to 2013's Asphalt 8 Airborne and comes with improved graphics, new cars, maps, controls and more. It is an extremely fun game to play and spend time while stuck at home. Real Racing 3. If Asphalt is not something you feel comfortable with due to its dynamics being heavily skewed to help the player rather than give them the real feel of driving a car, then you should try out EA's Real Racing 3. It comes with different game dynamics which feel much closer to life. However, that also makes the game more difficult. Need for Speed No Limits. Need for Speed is a franchisee most of us have heard about and even played a version during our childhood. With Need for Speed No Limits, EA brings the adrenaline rush back. The game features a number of iconic cars and tracks from the franchisee's huge history. It simply takes you back in time and helps you reminisce those old days when you used to play an NFS game on your PC or console. Asphalt Xtreme. If you like car racing but tracks are not for you, you can try playing Asphalt Xtreme, which is an off-roading racing game. It offers gamers a number of off-road tracks to race on and a number of vehicles to rip on those tracks. It is a bit of a different take on racing games and is very fun to play. In this game, you will be able to take part in over 300 career events, 1,100 mastery challenges and multiple limited time events. Hill Climb Racing. If you do not have as much time as it takes to complete a race in the above mentioned games, or you simply do not want to focus as much, you just want to have fun and play a small game for a minute or two, you can download Hill Climb Racing. It is a pop box game and does not require as much attention as other racing games.